Hey students, this is Casey Lawrence, the current administrator of East Coast Christian University, and today I'm going to show you how to update your personal information on CampusSis. So to find your profile where that information is, you're going to click the navigation bar on the top left of your screen and then select My Profile. Inside your profile is where you'll be able to find your name, address, contact information, your login, and your forms from when you first applied. You can also select this button to upload a picture for the first time or swap out a profile picture to something new. So when it comes to changing your information in your profile, pretty much all the information that you see when it comes to your name, address, and such, you're able to type right over and change it on the spot. As soon as you type it in, it'll save what you typed. There's two things that you can't do that to immediately though. That one of which is your name, and the second is your primary email. Your name and your primary email are taken from your application form, therefore they can't be changed on the spot because they need to be the same as your application form. So if you had a name change or you wanted to have a new email as your primary email, then what you actually are going to end up doing is clicking on My Forms, and then inside of the forms you'll go ahead and select personal information, and from there you can go ahead and type right over, change your email or your name to update what you need. If you look at your login, you'll notice that again your email can't be changed or your old password. However, if you were to click on that little button right there, you would be able to view your password. Like we said, if you need to change your email, you can do that through your application form by updating it. And then right here, if you need to create a new password, you'll simply type it in, confirm it, it'll save, and then you're good to go. So those are the basics of just finding your information and updating it. I hope that was helpful to you, and I hope you have a great day.